Adding rules to your Discord server helps maintain a respectful and welcoming space for your community. Here's a simple way to do it. Start by clicking Create Channel. Select Text Channel and name it something like Rules. Once done, click Create Channel. Next, open the channel settings by clicking the gear icon beside the channel name. Go to Permissions. Make sure everyone is selected, then do the following. Enable View, Channel Disable. Send messages. Make sure Read Message History is turned on. When that's done, click Save Changes. Now head over to the Integrations tab and click Create Webhook. Give it a name, either your server name or your username, and set the channel to Rules. Click Copy Webhook URL. You can also upload an image for the webhook if you'd like. Once everything is ready, click Save Changes. Next, go to discohook.org in your browser. Paste the webhook URL into the box at the top of the page. Click Clear All to remove any example data, then click Add Embed. If you want to include an image, upload it to any Discord channel. Right-click the image, select Copy Link, and paste that link into the image URL field of your embed. Now, in the embed body, type your first rule. For example, Rule 1, be respectful, treat everyone kindly. You can customize the embed color to match your server's theme. Want to add more rules? Just click Add Embed again and repeat the process for each one. Once you're happy with your rules, click Send to publish the message directly to your rules channel, and that's it. You've officially set up a professional looking rules channel on your Discord server.